In yesterday's class, we discussed about the security threats over the internet that we have seen. And what are the security threats? Also, we have seen virus, spam, malwares, and the Trojan horse. Okay, so all the worms, these things and all we have seen. Okay, and what is virus and how to prevent from the virus affection from the on over the internet and on over the network? That also we have seen. And today, let me continue with the worm. What is worm means? As you are seeing in the slide, a worm is a self-replicated program. That's what the major difference between the virus and worms means. I already said the virus need human action in order to replicate. Okay, but the worms, it doesn't require any human action in order to replicate. That is the thing. Okay, a worms keep on creating its copies until all the space disk or memory is filled. That is a second notable point. When the replication will stops, that means virus, once it is it will started to replicate, means it will be transferred from one medium to another medium. It also will replicate, but what is the endpoint of the worm means? Still it will occupy all the memories, so it's dumping the memory. Okay, so worms is okay. So worms harm to the computer or computer network by consuming bandwidth. See, it will make them the network to be very slow. It is affect the bandwidth. Okay, so that we are seeing that. Not only that, it will also doing all the vulnerabilities what we have seen in the virus. Okay, it will also corrupt the files. Okay, it will redirecting to some other websites. It hacks the data also. So everything will be, it's a destructive program also. Okay, it is also a destructive program. All the programs are destructive. Okay, and cause what are the damages? So it eat up the entire disk spaces or memory. So it will fill up all the memory by replicating itself. Okay, that is the first thing. And second thing, it will affect the bandwidth and slow down the network speed. So that is also one of the factor for internet to be very slow. Okay, suppose if you are if you are using the PC, you are having very high speed internet, your PC also having the required RAM and memory, hard disk, everything is fine. But even though your system is slow, means in order to use the internet, is maybe it may be the worms, maybe one of the cause or one of the factor also. Okay, so second time, use prevention. How to prevent from the worms means use the total security software. Total security software means virus, antivirus software. Okay, total security means all the protection it want to give, real time protection it want to give. Whenever we are browsing on over the internet, the say antivirus program, that is not antivirus, the security program want to give the online security for that, live security it want to give. Okay, so scan the PCs for boot time scan, right? Not only normal scan. Normal scan, it will quick scan, many scans types are there. Quick scans means it only scans the all the operating systems. Okay, and generally if you go for the little bit wider, means it will scan the operating system as well as the softwares. Okay, and the full hard disk scan means it will scan all the hard disk, whatever it is loaded, all the files. But boot time scan is different. Before the OS will be started, the the process, I mean the antivirus will boot itself, and it will start to scan all the operating system files. So the time of operating system will be loaded from the secondary memory to a primary memory, that is hard disk to RAM or hard disk to the system memory. So that time all the files will be get scanned, and through that it will be get filtered, all the virus potential vulnerabilities files will stop. That is the thing. It will prevent from the worms. Okay, avoid inserting infected pen drives. Of course, that is also a thing. Okay, so if anybody is giving the pen drive, means don't simply get it and insert in your systems. Okay, so that is the main thing for affecting the virus. Your system will also will be get affected. Due to that, you cannot able to attack. You cannot access your data. That is very important. Suppose if you are using, if your parents or anybody neighbors are doing any business means. Okay, so you just create the awareness. Okay, it's not only the part is not only for learning the thing, you have to tell this, you have to create the awareness to your people also, other people also. That is also your one of the responsibility. Okay, being a computer science student. Okay, and next one is Trojan horse. That's I already we discussed. It seems to be, it's a program. Trojan horse is a program. It is also a destructive program, but appears harmless. Harmless means that is, it seems to be very good program. Yesterday we have discussed much. No, hello, are you here audible? Am I audible
Yes,
to
sir.
you? Yeah. So yesterday
Yes,
we
sir.
have, yeah, yesterday we have discussed about the Trojan horse. It seems to be a very good program, but what is the thing? It won't do actually goodness. By using that, we may think that okay, with this program I am doing this much of work, it is telling this work, but what is happening, it is background, it is collecting our data. Okay, that's what you can see, but actually performs malicious functions that are deleting or damaging the files. Many possibilities are there to leak out the files also. Okay, so you can see with the help of Trojan that can be done by the hacker can attack any computer, that is target any computer, they can steal our data. That's what I said, no, the passwords and banking transactions, all the things. Okay, for example, if you are a business enemy, means they will get your files, what you are doing, what are the companies you are getting the order. Okay, what are the companies you have tie up, all the details they will get from their computer by simply sending one Trojan horse. Okay, the Trojan horse is a type of virus. What it is doing, it look like a very useful software, or along with the software it will do some. See, that's what whenever you are installing any browsers or add-ins and all, it automatically it will ask, no, have you got it? Add-ons, not add-ins, add-ons packs. Have you seen in browsers or any, whenever we are installing any software, we should know extra software whether it is downloaded, or that also we are installing, that we have to make sure. Okay, whatever
Yes,
software we record, that only we have to install it. The extra softwares and all, extra add-on packs and all, if you are adding on over the browsers on your computer or whatever thing, if you done means, that will create a problem. We are not, I'm not sure, I'm not telling that all the softwares will create the problem. We don't know. N number of softwares are there, no? So from which sites you are downloading, that is also a matter. Always go with the official sites. Okay, official websites I'm saying. If you are just getting from unofficial site, means we don't know. Anybody can get the software and they can add their own program and they can publish it. You got it, no? So that is we cannot ask to the original company. Suppose I want to install Microsoft Office in my computer. What I have to do? I want to install from the original thing and I have to pay for it. Then only it is the company is responsible. What I'm asking the question. Okay. Suppose I downloaded from other websites. I using the cracking softwares. Many cracks are there, isn't it? Many cracking softwares are there that will
yes, yes.
crack the validation of the program. Or the program means I'm saying the software. Okay, license and all, it will crack. So what will happen? We don't know whether the software. See, actually, the what this crack program is doing. It is literally it is cracking the originality of the program. Correct? No, program means originality of the software.
Yes, yes.
Example, Windows crack we are using, Microsoft Office crack we are using, Photoshop crack we are using, antivirus crack we are using. That's more funny. So like this, we are using many cracks. But what is the thing? Always the cracking program that will crack the code. I mean, license that particular code will be omitted. We don't know. It will waves. I mean, it will just.
I'll let you know. What is that?
I didn't get you. I didn't get you. Yes. Okay. Let I will continue. You can see this. That's what whenever we are using the cracked program means that is not sure, that is not, we cannot say that it is a trustable app, no. So that's what I'm saying. So don't install that, don't go for that. Okay, yeah, that's what. Yeah, Sriram has come in chat that he said the trial version into the pro by cracking, that is trial version into the original versions are extendable versions, no. So by installing the cracks we can use it, but what is the thing, we don't know the cracks. Always all the software, see, without any gain will they do? Correct?
No,
Will
sir.
they do? Yeah, because for example you are a software engineer. Okay, so you learned, I mean, you made one program to cracking any one software. Suppose, let I will say one example. Photoshop is there. Okay, so suppose for that crack you are created, if you have become a software engineer means, okay, so whether you will, it's not a one day process, it's not easy to cracking their originality, no. So we have to think a lot and how they set the program and which are all the loopholes are there in order to crack the file alone. Okay, everything we need to think, no. So we have, you have to work for a months and days of days, weeks and weeks. Correct? So you have the gain, you should have the gain, no. So what the programmer will do, that is the illegal programmers, what they will do, they will just set up one files bug with that program and they will send the bug means here they will send with the uh, spyware or in Trojan horse, likewise they will attach it. Okay, we people, what we will do, that computer illiterate people, they will simply download it and they will make use of it. Okay, so it will reside in your computer, and initially we won't find anything. Okay, after a month also we won't find anything. But what is the thing is happening? Illegally, it is transmitting all the data from your computer to their computers wherever the usage is required. Suppose they will note down your activity. Suppose you are a bank manager, means what they will do? Okay, so daily we will get the report, like which they will get. Suppose if you are students, they may get what? 3 months once they may get your report. What maximum you will do? You may simply search on internet, that is Google. You may do the search related to the educations or some other movies or MP3 songs, or likewise only you will do, no? And Facebook activities, WhatsApp, likewise only you are doing. Correct. So that is, they won't get any gain from your activity. Correct. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you are a businessman, means they will get more gain from you. So they will, through that only they will hack. They see many business people, they are coming to the crime branch police station, and they are giving the complaint. Means what? They may do any one of the thing, because they may not install. But what is the thing? Actually, the computer, they will call one computer programmer, no, network engineer, like this. So they may install the type of softwares. They know that. Okay, so that's not very much we should careful, and you have to make others to be very much sensitized this one. That's what I'm asking you. Okay, data theft will be happening. Installation of unwanted software, that's what we don't, no need to install the add-ons, the Google Chrome. Whenever we should disable all the add-ons. Okay, cookies and all. Cookies, yesterday evening, I mean yesterday, last end of the class, we discussed the temporary storage of about the information about the website is called as cookie. Cookie is a file. What is cookie means? It's a file. Okay, okay, that file contains what? The basic information of the websites which we visited. Suppose I visited today ICICI Bank, so cookie will be generated. What the cookie might contain? That contains the basic information of the website. What is that? What website I have visited? What is the IP address of the website? At what time I have logged in? What time I have come out from the website? What are the activities I may done on the? What are the pages I have visited on over the ICICI Bank website? For example, I'm saying. Have you got it? No. So like this, the
Yes, sir.
basic information about our activity, that is you are doing, means about your activity, that will be stored. It's not storing anywhere. It is storing in your computer only. Have you got it? So it is stored all the information in your computer. For example, sometimes I will tell one real-time example for you. Sometimes even though you don't have internet connectivity, whenever you open the browser, you can see the Google logo. Have you seen? Even though your
Yes, sir.
computer is not connected with internet. So whether it is a real internet, it
No,
is
sir.
because of the cookies, because you already visited the Google page, no? So that's what will happen. Whenever we try to open the page, meanwhile, what will happen? Instead of really it's not open, but what is the thing? Always the cookie file will be, cookies means I already said it's a temporary file will be get opened. Okay, that website image, but it is not actual image. It's already offline, even though your computer is an offline. Have you understood? No, this time thing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, somebody's asking doubt. Yeah, anybody having doubt means please let you.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, somebody's, yeah, while you are talking. Okay, fine. If you have any doubt means please ask. Okay, then keystroke login. Keystroke login whenever 1 minute. 1 minute. Sriram is 2 3 times reconnecting for me. That is Sriram. I think your network problem. Here I think for everyone is connected only. Everybody is connected only. I think so. Do you people any problem facing any audio or that visual
No,
problem?
sir.
Okay, fine.
He's even connected here.
So you only chat in the chat box, I think now. Okay, let me see it. Okay, Sriram, 1 minute. Again, you're coming unable to open the chat box. Yes. Okay, today morning you had the problem. Okay, okay, Sriram. Okay, let you just keep on that one. Okay. So keystroke login. Whenever we are logging it, that's what keystroke means. What are the keys? Keys means it is not one. Which are all the websites we are logging? Login means which are all the websites we are visiting. So this data and all will be taken by the Trojan horse. We are discussing about the Trojan horse, and downloading or uploading the files and many more. That is, it will download. It will automatically, it will download anything, and background process. That's what I'm saying. Automatically means whenever we are connected to internet, it will automatically download, it will automatically upload some details to the who sent the virus, who sent the Trojan horse. Have we got it? So that to the owner it will send it. So they will get some gain from your data. That's what. Okay. So these are all very potential one. Okay. How to prevent? That's again antivirus software. I already said go for the original antivirus software, pay for it and buy it. Get best industry antivirus software you have to install. Okay, just like that, n number of antivirus softwares are there. If you just Google it, means you will get thousands of thousands antivirus even for free forever. That's also is available. But whether it will really catch the virus means no. That is certainly is the thing. You have to install total security software. Total security means not only antivirus. Of course, what I term use that is different one. Antivirus means only prevent from the virus. It won't prevent from the, it won't give the real-time protection on over the browser. It won't give the real-time protection for the data which we are stored in the hard disk. It won't give protection from the worms or Trojan horse or spywares, malwares. It won't prevent spams. It won't prevent. It only check the antivirus. Which one antivirus means? But that's what they given very clear. Total security. Okay, so for all the things with the internet banking, parental security, all those things, file logs, everything we have to use. Okay, it's a come under a one platform. That is we have to go such type of antivirus program. Generally, I'm saying. Okay, so whenever we have to get the best in industry, the type of total security program, that is antivirus program, we have to buy and we have to pay for it and we have to do updation. That is very important. So you may say that, sir, I installed the sir original only, but I don't do any update, means that is waste. Okay, so we should update, we should connect with the internet. First of all, we have to update our antivirus program daily. Okay, daily you have to check, or else give automatic updates whenever the updation is there. For the database things, it will be get updated. Okay, that is the thing. So that will be never download from any software, untrusted websites. Many of them asked, no sir, where I have to download SQL? Many websites are there, but I always preferred what? mysql.org. That means what? We have to go with the original
Official
website.
website.
Yes, original means official website, I'm saying. Okay, so in that website only we have to download anything. Okay, it may be, I'm saying, not only for softwares, for videos or audio or whatever thing, you have to go with the proper website, then access it. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, let me see the next one. And while you are using public, yeah, public computer means whenever you are going for the browsing centers, Hasan, I mean, it's not mean that generally for everyone. Okay, so whenever we are using the browsing centers, don't just whenever we are using the mail, you have to sign out. After you use it, you have to sign out. Don't use the internet banking things and all on over the public computer. That is public, even public Wi-Fi also. That's what I'm saying. Public Wi-Fi also, many free Wi-Fi's are available, no? If you go for any hotels or any shops, means, or even nowadays bus also it is available, railway station
Even
it is
railway
available.
stations. Yes,
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, so that, of course, the railway station they are providing by the government. That's what. Even though that is all the things, whenever we are using the public Wi-Fi, it is most dangerous. You know. So whenever our computer or our mobile, simply we may visit the shops. Oh, they are providing free internet. Let me use it. Like this, they are enjoy that. I still remember. I too also used. I will admit myself. Whenever I was that is young, that time whenever I go to the shop, that time Wi-Fi is very rare and net speed and all very less. That is 1 GB 1 month. That is very big thing. Okay, whenever we download any games or anything, means what they will do? They will easily download in the Wi-Fi. That will be very speedy, compared to our previous things. I'm saying the
yes,
previous
sir.
3G. Yeah, nowadays we are using. Nobody is care about the internet. What is the thing? Everybody having lot of what is the thing? Datas in their hand. Correct. So it is not a problem. Anyhow,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
saying that we should not connect with the Wi-Fi, especially public Wi-Fi. I'm saying private Wi-Fi in your home, that is not a problem. Okay. So known Wi-Fi, for example, this is my friend's home only, sir. I know about this hospital. I know about this railway station. Like this, if you are saying me, that's okay. But unknown or strange Wi-Fi, if you are using, not only computers, I'm saying, even rather, I'm asking the adding the Wi-Fi also. Okay. So we should not connect with that type of network. Wi-Fi is what? It's a wireless network. That's all. If you are connected with that, means they can hack your mobile. They can hack. They can get your all the details. No. So that is also very much see, many of the friends, my friends also may use like that. I have given the warning to them. So what they will do, they will go to the railway station or anything. Okay, later I will book the ticket for whenever for return journey, or they will use the to book the tickets or using the internet banking. That times means it is what, it's not advisable. Okay, so like this, you people also want to advise to your friends and neighbors, your parents. That is very important. So you people also don't use it. Okay, because it is not. We don't know which time the hacker will hack. Suppose you may book the ticket. That time what will happen? Definitely you have to do the payment. No, correct. That time you have to launch
Yes,
your. I
yes.
mean that time you are visit your internet banking site or whatever thing, or your net using the credit card you may pay, or using the Google Pay or whatever thing if you are using. So any payment method you may use, definitely it will be, chances are there. I'm not saying they will hack, they will confirmly hack. I'm not saying, chances are more. So better than we can avoid. Maximum we can avoid. No other goes are that. This is the only one thing means. Then up to we are taking the risk. We are taking our own risk. That only we are saying. Okay, it's your chance. Okay, and moreover, virtual keyboard. That's always whenever you are using the internet banking. So always you have seen, no, virtual. Their keyboard is there. Virtual keyboard. They will ask, just to click that one, use that keyboard instead of your keyboard. Your keyboard means in mobile default keyboard is there, no, or else you may download some keyboard, no, instead of that keyboard, virtual keyboard will be opened. That time what is a virtual keyboard? And this keyboard means that keyboard characters, I mean what we are entering, it is 100% secure. It's secure for what are the inputs we are giving through the keyboard. Okay, that's what always use whenever you are going for the economical related means, or any password or anything. If wherever the platform is giving the virtual keyboard, better you use the virtual keyboard instead of our normal phone keyboard or normal computer keyboard. I'm saying whatever things also. Okay, so that's what I already said. Log on from your account, email or whatever websites, whatever thing, you have to log out completely, sign out it. That's what I'm saying. Okay, from the public computers I'm saying. Okay, and spams. Let me come to the another one. So spams means I already said bulk mail. Okay, so repeatedly you may get the mail from unknown person or unknown mail IDs. Okay, so sometimes they will tempting mail they may send to you. What they will do? You will get this much of amount. You are getting this much of reward. Okay, so they may literally know our locations. For example, today I visited one shop. Suppose if I visited one what is the thing? Let you take any example. Yeah, for example, if I visit today any branded shop, like we say, visit means next time what, next day what I will get. Oh, this T-shirt is available for this much least price. You can visit this shop name and get shop, and you will get this much of discount. To avail the discount, just to click the link and to fill the forms. Likewise, they may ask.
Yes,
Have
sir.
you seen?
Mainly
Yeah.
Facebook will get
Yeah.
those
So
things.
through the Facebook, through the WhatsApp, through our location, mobile location. So where we are visiting, okay. So everything they will note it. We are monitored 24/7 if you are using the mobile means. Okay. So that you have to keep it in your mind. Whatever we are doing, it is understand. It is completely monitorable. Okay. So we have to very much careful about it. Okay. We should not leak our data in the public areas. Public areas means not by speaking, not by talking. I'm saying in the mobile, I'm saying mobile or laptop or desktop, whatever gadgets. Okay, so that will be, so we will receive the spam mail. Spam mail means false mail we may receive. That mails may contain what? You can see in non-malicious form, bulk advertisement. Advertisement will be completely email bombarding. Yeah, the word is email bombarding means continuously you will get the mails from the different advertisers. For example, once you log in any Flipkart, you will get a lot of mails from Flipkart. Shopkulas, likewise Mintra, likewise many websites. Okay, few of them, for example, Flipkart or anything, many seasonal sales or any new offers mean let they will inform it. But if you go for the, yeah, some unknown strange shops means online shopping means daily you will receive morning one email, afternoon one, night one. Likewise, you at least you will get 5 mails per day. So they will make you to be inbox to be filled. It will be very that is the thing, that the type of, whenever they are giving the attempt, they are attempting to you at any list. I mean they will give very attractive offers. So by seeing that, if you click means literally it is not there. Okay, they will just make you to see other products also. So they are forcing us to buy something, correct? No, by just being, oh, this much of very less offer, really very less price they are giving. Like this we are talking, no, so we will place the order. But what is the thing, if we are receiving the order we will be very happy, that in this case. but what they will do, no, they won't send the send the product, or else they will send the product, but what is the thing, it may be a fake product. Correct? Have you heard the story like this? They order the mobile, but they will get the brick stone like this, no?
Yes, yes.
Even, yeah,
Yes,
like
sir.
this type of, they may not know whether they are ordering in the official Flipkart website or Amazon or whatever thing. They don't know whether they are ordering in official or not. Many fake websites are available. Literally, I have seen lot of fake websites even in the banking sectors. Suppose if you are having account in SBI, many fake SBI accounts are there. Accounts means in the sense of, I'm saying, websites. Okay, so there we have to we have to check whether it is official or not. Okay, so just to go to the home page of the what is the thing, website, and go to the, for example, net banking or whatever zones, if you want to enter, let you enter, not an issue. Okay, directly by giving it, don't click it. That you have to think it. Okay, so spam reduces productivity. So many messages received means your email will be slowed down and memories will be on. Spam eat up your time. That's what, by seeing the memory, by seeing the message, filling the data. Moreover, okay, can lead worse things. That is, it will prevent from the spreading virus. For example, they will send an attachment. Okay, just download this invoice and click OK. The reply with this message, acknowledge this message. You will receive. We will send the product to your home as a trial. Like this, they may give. If you send just to download the file, that's all the virus will be get downloaded, or worms or any potential, any malicious content may be downloaded in your computer means mobile or whatever thing. Okay, so they will get all the details, background works it will do. Okay, so we should be very much careful using this. Cookies, we already said that it's a web cookie or browser cookie. It's a small piece of data from the website stored in user's website, that is user computer. Okay, our computer, while user is browsing on website. Okay, that's the thing. Some cookies disappear after closes user close the browser, but many cookies are what, that is called tracking cookies. Okay, which one tracking cookies means, if the cookies is closed automatically delete itself means that is normal cookie. Okay, tracking cookie means some website we may visit. Okay, that cookie will not be deleted, it will not be automatically deleted. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so that's what you can see, remain saves and load the next time visit the same website. That's what I said the example, no, even though we are not connected to the internet, we may see sometimes what, the Google Doodle we can able to see. Correct, no? Then cookies help the website to store the information about visitors,
Yes, sir.
username, password and all. Whenever we are just clicking, automatically it will tell the mail ID which we given. We may not give same, but what is the thing, automatically the data will be stored. Where means in our computer only. Have you got it? What is cookie? Have you experienced
Yes,
this
sir.
one? Username, password, automatically it will be filled. We just click submit or
Yes, sir.
okay, login, like this.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Now some websites are asking whether we have to store the information about
Yeah,
the
no,
username, password, and all
some
or not.
websites will ask the store the password and everything. That is okay. That voluntarily basis we are giving that the data will be stored permanently. That is also cookie with the help of cookie. Okay. Whenever you clear
Yes.
all the cookie, all the data will be erased. Got it? So some of the website it won't ask our information, our permission it won't ask. Automatically it will store our password. Automatically it will store our username, all the details. Correct? So the things and all is happening due to the cookie.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you want to clear, you have to clear. So many people they may think they may delete the history, but they forgot to delete the cookies. Okay. Through the cookie, you can easily trace you what you ordered, what you when you will get, or what is your transaction you may done. Every details you will get it. Okay. So you will be very much alert about this. Okay. And that's what data session. That is a data session means. Sorry, session data means whenever we enter. That's you can see whenever we visit any website on regular basis we may not have username. That's what is the thing, the information will be stored. Okay, so these cookies store information in encrypted form, but somebody's get the encrypted key could discover your password. That's what Silvaram you said, no, so that website is asking whether we want to save the data for future use. You asked, no?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
This type of cookie is called session data cookie. What will happen? What you done, the username and password on the session. Session means here the website. Okay, the website, what activity you have done. Okay, that is called a session, the meaning. Okay, what will do, the username and password, it will be saved in encrypted file. But what is the thing? Anybody get the encrypted one, it is very easy to decrypt. So they will, the hacker, they can get the file, or any spyware or any virus, or not virus, spyware or any malicious content. If you affect your computer, they will send the cookie to other computer. So you can literally, you can see this one. If you are visiting anything on over the, if you search on the Google, or if you are searching anything on the, what is the thing, uh, Flipkart or anything, next time the same items will be shown as first one. Have you seen? For example, today I search for watch. Okay. So next time whenever I open it, it will just more ads will become related to watch only. Have you understood? Have you done like that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's the
Yes, sir.
basic means? Cookie. So the information, what does it mean? They may think that, oh, they will, Facebook will watch us. It's not watching. They will get your cookie. Cookie means, they, I already said what the, what you have done on over the session. Session means in this time period, which website you visited, on that website what you searched. Okay. So everything will be there. Next time the same thing will be repeated, even in YouTube also. For example, you may see a video long back, but whenever you open the video YouTube on your customized account, means what it will show? It will show related to that only. Have you got it? Have you
Yes, sir.
understood? Yeah. For example, if you are visiting our class videos, means next time if you are open the YouTube, means it will always show our class videos. Correct? But that is rare. You may not see that one, isn't it? Hello. No answer for this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Correct. So suppose you are visiting. Hello. Is it audible?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, okay. Because I got some problem. That's what. Okay. Suppose if you are searching for songs, or if you visit any songs, latest songs, or whatever thing you have seen, next time it will, the same song or same movie, it will be displayed for you. Okay. So it's based on the cookie. All the things will based on the session data cookies. Okay. Tracking information. I already said that's what we discussed. That is the thing. Okay. The advertisements. Okay. So what we visited on over the Flipkart or Amazon or whatever online things, what you search, you may even simply you may search on Google. Okay. So you may, suppose you are searching for Python book, next time it will show the Python books whenever you are open the Flipkart or whatever thing. So if you are searching in Google, how the Flipkart will know, means they are using your cookie. We only given the permission. In the terms and agreement, it will clearly mention. Okay. So that is the thing. And public computers generally, that is a very dangerous thing. You can see the same general threats existing in the traffic cookie saved on the public computer. That's what we should not save our username, password. We should not give anything. Okay. Once you completed, means you have to delete your history and delete your cookies. That is fine. Okay. So the next time if you are visiting the public computers, you have to do this. Okay. Then only what? It's ensuring, that's what I say, the delete cookies to ensure that next people who have the same computer cannot access your information. Okay. So what we will think it wisely, we may delete the history, but we forgot to delete the cookies. We should delete the cookies also. Have you got it?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
What about remaining? Selvaram and Gautam only answering. Remaining people, you are slept, no? Sriram, Sham, Satish, and Inder. Oh, Krubanandam. What about, are you people
Today
hearing?
only Email is absent, sir. All
Neville, what
others are
happened to
here.
him? Yesterday also he was absent, no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Do you know anything? I think, what about the commerce students? Whether did he attend morning classes, remaining classes, like economics, accountancy, like this? Ajit, what about him?
Sir, he is facing network problems, sir. அவன் விட்டு விட்டு தான் சார் அட்டன் பண்ணான்.
Oh, oh, okay, okay, okay. Sure, sure. Okay, pa. Let me continue this. So this type of one firewall. Firewall is a program. Both firewalls are there, physical firewall and software, the programming firewall. Okay, what is firewall means? It's a technique to prevent, to filter. Very exactly, I want to say it's just a filter. Okay, so it will filter all the malicious content and it only allows the proper data. That's what you can see. Firewall is a technique used to secure computer, that is to make our computer to be very secure on over the network. Okay, to block the unauthorized access.
Yes.
So in the things we have seen about the firewall, so firewall is a technique to secure our computer from the unauthorized access, from just blocking the malicious content to enter in our computer. Okay, this is a firewall. Okay, you can see the firewall can be implemented either in hardware, that is physical, or software as a program. Okay, or combined on both ways. Okay, So it is a device. You can say what is firewall means. It's a device or to set. It's a program to set or to devise a software or running on over the computer which can configure to permit or deny computer. Okay, which are all the computers able to connect with our computer. Okay, the programs will check the website which we are visiting, no, the computer which are connecting to the internet, no, or network. Okay, so it will check the other computer, other hand of the computer, whether the computer is proper or not. If any malicious content is there means, this firewall will block the content whenever it is sending any virus to our computer. Okay, this is just a protection. Okay, so that is the thing. You can see the firewall difference: software firewall, hardware firewall. That is a physical and it's a program. Okay, so the same thing, both the things will do. Firewall, software firewall, you can see the differences. This is a very important question. Okay, definitely will come on exams. Firewall softwares are frequently used to prevent unauthorized internet user from accessing the private networks connected to the internet, especially intranets. Internet and intranet, all the software firewall that is in our firewall settings are there, no, in our Windows or any antivirus programs, no. So it will stop us. Okay, but in physical firewall, it's a design. It's a we are setting the likewise a router, no, not router. I'm not saying likewise device we have set externally to protection for the entire network. The hardware firewall will be set up for a big network. If you are big LAN we are using means, if you have, for example, you may have a very good company. Okay, so that you may contain what, n number of thousands of computers you may have. So that time you may go for what, physical firewall. That is a physical firewall means a device. Okay, and all the messages entering or leaving. Okay, so that should pass through the firewall. So whenever we are sending any message, the firewall will check whether you are sending to spreading any virus or not. Okay, any message is try to enter in your computer, that also it will check whether the file has contained any malicious content or not. Malicious means harmful content. Okay, so it will check, then only it will allow. Okay, the same thing, it may actually be another computer or dedicated piece of equipment. That's in, I am saying, in the physical firewall. Come to the opposite. Okay, so it will be in another computer. The firewall, one of the computer act as a firewall. What is the work of the computer means, it will check the data, all the data for the entire LAN, entire network. You will pass through the computer. That's act as a main computer. Okay, so whenever the computer will check, then only what it will do, it will allow the data to pass over the other computers. Have you got it in this thing? Second point, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
sir.
third one, yeah, very good. And third one, it could provide the protection for, again, most common Trojan horse, virus, all the things. It will give the protection. Which one? The software firewall. The same thing in hardware firewall also will keep our that is actually malicious, malevolent. Okay, hackers. Okay, malevolent hackers means the illegal hackers. Okay, that is not ethical hacker. That is unethical. Okay, so that people will intentionally to damage. Okay, so for that it will give the protection. For that only the many banks are having the physical firewall. That's what I said, no, whenever you go for the more number of networks, good network or very secure network you want to set up means, definitely you have to go for the hardware firewall. Okay, so you want to breach, that's what we are saying, no, to break the firewall is called as breaching. Have you heard the word breaching? Hello?
No, sir.
Not yet. Okay, so security breach means, that is, it's not breach, I'm not saying, man, breach. Okay, so breaching, br. Okay, so breaching means it's just cracking or breaking the that is a software setting, that is breaking the software settings or security settings. Security setting means it will not it will just pretend as a good one, it will break up all those things, then the content will be, I mean, the virus will be or spyware will be it will be downloaded in our computer. Okay, that is intentionally, it may be sent through some hacker. So first of all, the hacker work is to know the strength of the computer. Okay, strength of the computer means what, it's not mean about the RAM and physical memory. So what are the protections they are keeping for the server? For example, if you want to hack, if you are seeing the movie, no, many hacking movie, have you seen movies, I'm asking?
Yes, sir.
Then what they will do, the hackers will first, it will check the websites. Okay, that which is the IP address, it will check the server, how much the server is strong. Strong means not by physical, that's what, how it is they are keeping the security settings and all. Okay, so first it will check that one, then only what they will do, they will write the program, they will create algorithm to breach means I already said to pass through or to break, okay, all the security settings, okay, at a particular time. We cannot breach all over the time, just a particular time we can stop that hold, and we can send our spywares or whatever files, or if you want to get the data, or if you want to send any extra data, everything will be happening. Okay, to send an extra data, that is called as SQL injection. Okay, so to add that, to corrupt the SQL, the database. Okay, that type of a thing is called as SQL injection. These are all the common word you have to know in the hacking side. Okay, let me go to the next one. And HTTPS, we already discussed, no, hypertext transfer protocol. So it's giving the protection on over the S is secure. I want to tell about this. HTTP we have seen. HTTPS, that is secure, as you said, is giving the, this protocol will protect the real-time security, the which website we are visiting. Okay, so that's what integrity and confidential about the data. So yes means HTTPS, whenever we are visiting any website, if you have seen HTTP means that is normal website. HTTPS if you have seen means, that means what? It is a very protected website. Okay, so we can give our data somewhat confidentially. We should not give more confidential data, we have to check it, but maximum many websites, they are using the HTTPS, they are securing their website, because the data, users information, customer information, all the information will be sent through that one, no, so that's what they will secure it. Okay, let me see this, what are the parts. Encryption, first the data will be get encrypted. Okay, eavesdroppers means illegally or unauthenticated they are getting your data. Okay, that's what you can see. Encrypting, the exchanging the data to keep insecure from the eavesdroppers. Eavesdroppers means the hackers, like with hacker, eavesdroppers will get the details. Okay, that's what you can see. That means the while the users is browsing a website, nobody can listen to their conversation, tracking their activity. So they are getting, they steal the information without the knowledge, without unauthorized manner, they are getting the data. That is called eavesdropping. The process is, okay, hacking likewise. Have you understood? Have you understood
Yes,
this?
sir.
Yeah, this guy. Why I'm mentioning the eavesdropping and what are remaining things, all you have to know. You have to note down these things, because these are all very important terms which we are come across in this one. Okay, and data integrity, that is we are giving the security for the data transferring from one network to another network, or from one computer to another computer. Which one is giving the protection, sir? The HTTPS. Okay, so it is secured protocol, security protocol. There is transport layer security protocol, TLS. Okay, it provides a 3-layer protection for the data. First is encryption, and next one is data integrity, then authentication. Whenever the IP address is properly reached the IP address, then only the packet will be delivered. Okay, in between somebody try to hack the data means, it will check the hacker's computer IP address. The IP address is not same means it won't deliver, data will not be delivered. I mean the packets, I hope you understand what is what is packet means, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what. Okay, you can see this, for example, HTTPS. You can, if you download, if you browse also, you can get this type of things. Okay, and moreover you can see the lock symbol, no, that's what, closed lock pad, lock symbol, I'm showing the pointer. Okay, that means the website is secured website, all the data, then you can enter what, user ID, password and all you can enter in this website. Okay, the data should be what, secured by locking system. And second thing is what, you have to note down this thing, please tell to your all the peoples. Okay, first is what, locking system, and second one is HTTPS. That's what.
HTTPS.
Yeah, have you got it? That's what. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and let me see this, what are the cyber crimes. We completed the network security threats. Let me enter to the another topic. Okay, so what are all the crimes? Okay, unknowingly you may do many crimes. Let you, if I listed means, you may see what are the crimes are there. Okay, Indian Act 2000, in 2000 the Indian Parliament has the constituency have developed one that is one law for, frame the law for the cyber, all the illegal cyber activities. Okay, so that is called a cyber law. Okay, that act was implemented in 2001. So it is notified on 17th October 2000. It's a primary law in India. After that, many amendments are also added. Amendments in many laws also added. Okay, due to the every days we are come across many crimes. Correct. So all those things.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So you can see the person of other nationality can also indicated under, that's what very important. You can see the third point. The person of other computer. For example, in America, they may have their own cyber law. Suppose if you committed any crime on America, who will punish? Whether India will punish you or America? Which government? American government only. For example, I'm saying because
Yes, sir.
we committed the sin on the in their land, in their country. No, so based on their law, they will do the they will give the punishment. Have you got it? No. So we may not say in India for this. For example, very simple. If you spit on over the public ways in India, I think now they have due to the COVID-19 they framed the law, isn't it? Correct. They will give the punishment up to 500
Yes,
rupees
sir.
fine due to this. Before, if you are spit on over the road means will they is punishable offense? It's not.
No, sir.
But in Singapore, if you are Malaysia, if you done like that means they will imprison you. Correct? No,
Unfulfilled.
or they will fine,
Yes.
put the fine, or they will take the jail. Okay, we should not
Yes,
say,
sir.
see, I am an Indian nation, I am coming from India. In India, this is not crime. That's what we have to. Whenever we are coming to, I mean, we are going to other country. We need to know what is their law. Okay, that is very important. What is the rules and regulations they are following in these things? Okay, that is the first thing. Let me see the next one. Okay. So you can see few sessions are there given. Okay, many sections. You can IPC Indian Penal Code is there. Here is come under the cyber crimes. Okay, 60, 67A, 67B, 70. They are giving that. Okay, sexual image. If you are just posting on over the websites. Okay, child pornography. If you are just to visit, you can see what are the imprisonment. 1 lakh. Sorry, 10 lakh rupees. It's up to 7 years. They are giving the prison also. You can see this. Okay, securing access, attempting the protection system. For example, if you are violating, if you are trying to, many people I have seen, they say that, sir, I will hack the computer, sir. Of course, if you hack means that's all. You will be imprisonment or up to 10 years or fine. Fine may be given. Okay. So many things are there. So we should be very careful about it. Okay, which website we are monitoring, which website we are visiting. If you are visiting the illegal websites, it's offense. Okay, so you should make careful about it. Let you go to this next one. And IT amendments, many amendments. I already said no. After the law was framed at the 2000 and 2000, many after that many amendment means additional laws also. Laws means in the sense of many crimes are into more. No, it is day by day it is increasing. So for that they constitute one law, that is Indian Act 2008. Okay, 2008 was introduced. Section 66A. Okay, penalize offensive message. For example, if you scolding message, if you send to somebody, it's also affection. It's also offense. Have you got it? Offensive email, offensive. You know that Facebook and all. Have you seen the cyberbullying? Cyberbullying means one of the person they may give anyone comment. Hello.
Yes, sir.
For that, what they will do in the comment section, they will just they will scold like anything. Correct? No, they will use the very rude word,
Yes, sir.
offensive word, unparliamentary word they are using. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
That is what they are that and all is offense. For example, if the admin of the page, admin of the Facebook page or Instagram or whatever thing, the account holder, okay, if they just given report on over the police station, means that's all. The who published the command, who posted the command, next moment they will be inside the jail only. Have you got it? So why I'm saying means by over emotion we should not type whatever we think. I think we also discuss once a time. I think Selvaram also is still remember. Sir, it is talking is our right. No, correct? No, Selvaram, have you heard
Yes,
it?
sir.
Yeah, of course we have right to talk, but what we are talking, what is the content we are talking, everything is a is to be we have to keep in mind. Okay, that is very important. I'm not saying that he quoted that one for everyone. I'm saying what we are talking on over the public platforms and social media, over the media. Okay, so inside a home, whatever we are doing, that is different one. Okay, outside, if you are just standing on the street and if you are using the offense word, it's what? It's a violence, no? Correct. They will just book
Yes,
in
sir.
case. Correct? No, normal police I'm saying in the law, not cyber law and order police itself they will arrest because you are creating nuisance and over the public. Okay, so we should not use any arrogant word or harsh words, offensive unparliamentary word. if you are texting, if you are WhatsApping, if you are sending the wrong images to anybody, if you are sending the wrong movies to somebody, everything is offense. Just only that is sumoto means wantedly the police will take, that is the cybercrime police, they will file the case on anybody. Have you got it? So it is not needed, not only needed, somebody's want to complain, that is okay. Remaining thing is what? Wantedly, they will just come voluntarily, they will file a case. You send this image, you send this offensive words, so it is a illegal one. So for that, we are giving the punishment like this, they will say. Okay. And moreover, Act was passed on December 2000. See, this is very important. I'm saying that's what I'm taking much about it. 66A, 69. Okay, that was this acts and all, this amendments and all passed on over the December 2008. Okay, and came to force. Came to force means come to the existence at the October 2009. 1 year it have taken. So they have do that much of modifications. No, that's what the thing. Okay, intercepting or monitoring or decrypting or any information through computer resource. That is monitoring means hearing, tapping the other phones. Okay, and monitoring the others WhatsApp, other activities, other Facebook activity, other whatever activities. No, so any files you are in between, you are hacking. That's what you hack the data and try to decrypt it. Okay, intercepting means we are misleading the information. One information may be sent by the sender. You are sending, you are just changing the message, and you are again you are resending, means that is also offense. Okay, everything is there. Let you see this one again. Cyber law, I already said. No, so cyber law is a part of overall illegal systems. Okay, so internet, cyberspace, even intranet also. Okay, in the network, if you are doing anything, means that is come under the cyber law problems. Okay, that is a criminal problem. That will be, it's all criminal case, not civil case. That also you please note down. Okay, so all the cases is not a simple disputes, it will be a very big one, so it will come to the flames. Okay, so that's all things. Tomorrow class we will see about the cyber law, what are all the laws are there, and which are all offenses. So few things we have seen, remaining things also there, that we will complete, then we will go to the next things. Okay students, I hope you understand
Okay,
the
sir.
class. Okay, let me see in
Yes,
this.
sir.
Yeah, thank you to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.